Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to create a container in Microsoft Azure in Bubble storage account. It's very simple process to create a container and use. How to do it, we will see detailed demonstration in this video. Before start the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. So let's start demonstration. Simply first of all, you need to enter here in Microsoft Azure portal using your credential, and we won't create here as a container in storage account. So definitely if you creating a container, you have already in storage account. So I have in storage account. You just simply click here in storage account. Inside the storage account, bunch of other information is available here, and left hand side menu tab is available. Inside the menu tab, one of the option is available, data and storage. You click, and here the container related information is also available here. You just simply click here in the container, and boom, here n number of container is available on my organization. We are targeting how to create a container. Here top of the screen, plus and container option is available. You just simply click here and very easily just put it the container name so and so. In advance, you just add here some of the information or skip it. You just enable encrypted data. You just simply give the permission or skip it. This one you just simply add here the container name and create, and after creating, the specific container automatically display here. Is my container name is already available here, Sangram Singh Kaite. Inside the container you can put it here the results, CSV, or your day-to-day activity related task. This is a simple process to create a container in storage account in Microsoft Azure portal. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.